I'm just going to do a bit of hoovering.
Okay.
You couldn't get the door for me, could you, please? How do we work this thing? What is... Doesn't feel right.
They've got red out.
Is it usually this hard?
Do you know if you're struggling, you can take that off, then you'd have to bend down a bit then.
Cian says he's doing that.
Yeah, but I'm going to do a bit of it. I haven't done it before. I might as well do it. It just means we can get more done, doesn't it? He can still do it when he wants, obviously.
Well, I never thought I'd see two men arguing over a vacuum
No, I don't
cleaner.
mind him doing it if he wants to do it, but obviously he's not doing it at the moment, so I thought I may as well do a little bit for
You haven't got to explain yourself, mate.
10 minutes.